Welcome back. Today let's talk about some home office tools and gadgets that are perfect for content creators. So whether you're a YouTuber, photographer, or anyone looking to level up your home office game, today's video is for you. So let's get started. First on the list is a gadget that will absolutely transform your lighting setup, the Aperture MC RGB light. Good lighting can make or break the quality of your content, and the Aperture MC RGB is one of the most versatile lights that you can add to your home office. But the question is, what makes the Aperture MC RGB so special? Well, this tiny light is more than just a regular light. It can produce a wide range of colors. This gives you full control over the mood and tone of your content. You can select your desired hue and adjust the saturation and intensity to get the exact look that you're looking for. So whether you're looking to create a warm, inviting ambience or a cool individual look, the Aperture MC RGB light has got you covered. One of the main reasons why I absolutely love this light is that it is small, portable and magnetic, which means you can stick it just about anywhere. The magnetic back allows you to mount the light on any metal surface. This opens up a ton of creative possibilities, especially in smaller spaces where traditional light stands won't fit. So whether you're filming at your desk, doing some overhead shots or even on the go, the Aperture MC RGB light is flexible enough to adapt to any situation. So at the end of the day, it is just incredibly versatile. For general content creation, you can use it as a fill light to brighten up your face and to reduce shadows. If you're doing product photography or videography, this light is perfect for highlighting details or creating interesting background effects. So in my opinion, one of the best ways to use the Aperture MC RGB light is to add some color contrast to your videos. For example, if you're filming in a neutral colored room, you can place the light behind you with a special hue to create depth and make your shot more visually appealing. And for sure, lighting is everything in content creation, and the Aperture MC RGB offers an incredible amount of flexibility and control in a small, portable package. In my opinion, it's an essential tool for anyone serious about producing videos or photos. Next, we have the Elgato prompter. Elgato kindly sent me one to check it out, and that's why I've marked this video as an advertisement. But I haven't received any money or stuff like that, and they are not involved in this video production. Just to mention that here really quickly. But yeah, if you're someone who frequently records videos, does live streaming or all kind of things like that, this gadget is a game changer. The Elgato prompt is designed to help you to maintain eye contact with your audience while reading your script seamlessly. So no more looking down at notes or awkwardly trying to recall your lines from memory. This tool ensures you stay focused and professional. What makes the Elgato prompter stand out is it's super easy to set up and it works with most cameras, so whether you're using a DSLR, DSLM or even a webcam. On top, the Elgato prompter uses a screen to reflect your script from your computer without blocking your camera's view. This means your audience sees you looking directly at them while you're actually reading your lines. So you don't have to use any tablets, smartphones or gadgets like that to set it up, and that's absolutely great. On top, what I definitely need to mention is that the prompter is lightweight and portable, making it super easy to set up anywhere in your home office. So whether you're recording in your dedicated studio or just your bedroom, this prompter fits right in. I just use a small clamp to mount it and that's it. But for sure, on top you can also mount it on a tripod or attach it to your camera setup. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not the most tech-savvy person, you'll have it up and running in no time. What I also need to mention is that this prompter works with a variety of devices. You can use it with all kind of cameras and even a webcam. They also include step-up rings for your lenses, so it's super convenient. Another great aspect that we need to talk about is that the Elgato software is super easy to use. You can easily adjust the scrolling speed and text size to match your speaking pace. On top, you just need to connect the prompter to your computer to get started. So it's just one USB-C cable and it's ready to use. At the end of the day, especially for content creators, the Elgato prompter is a great investment. Next up, let's talk about one of my favorite desk setup gadgets. When it comes to managing devices that many of us use on a daily basis, a dual charging station for your AirPods, Apple Watch and iPhone is an incredible handy gadget to have in your home office setup. Basically, it's an easy all-in-one solution that helps you to keep your workspace organized and ensures that your essential devices are always charged and ready to go. Especially in these days, we rely on multiple devices for various tasks. Whether you're using your iPhone to shoot quick videos, your Apple Watch to track your activities, or your AirPods to edit content on the go, keeping all these devices charged can be a hassle. And exactly in this case, a dual charging station designed for these products offers a centralized place to charge all your essentials simultaneously. For sure, the primary feature of these charging stations is their ability to charge multiple devices at once. Typically, these stations come with dedicated spots for your iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods. This means you can charge all three devices simultaneously without needing multiple chargers or cables cluttering your desk. Simply place your devices on the designated spots and they will start charging automatically. And the one that I use is the Wood Accessories Multi-Base Pro. These charging stations are designed to be compact, taking up minimal space on your desk, and on top it's sleek and stylish, and it offers a walnut finish finish that I really like. So all in all, a dual charging station for your devices is more than just a simple charging station. It's a tool that can support your daily routine and productivity. Because by combining your charging needs into one sleek station, you eliminate clutter and save time, and it ensures that your devices are always powered up and ready to go. Especially for content creators who rely heavily on their gadgets, this can make a significant difference in maintaining an efficient workflow. Moreover, the aesthetic and functional benefits of having a tidy, organized workspace are super important. It helps you to set your focus on the most important task, it reduces stress, and it makes your home office more inviting. So if you're looking to optimize your setup, a dual charging station is definitely worth the investment. But now let's talk about another great gadget, and here we need to talk about Flatlay Prints. If you're a content creator who is into product photography, food blogging, or even just loves posting aesthetic shots on Instagram, mastering Flatlays can really improve your content. Basically, Flatlays are perfect to take photos or videos from top-down perspective, where you arrange items on a flat surface to create visual appealing compositions. This style is perfect for showcasing products, and it's an effective way to highlight the details or create a visual theme. I personally use them for all kind of shots. At the end of the day, these high-quality prints are incredibly versatile, and they can be used for various types of content. So whether you're promoting a new product, creating a tutorial, or simply sharing your favorite items, these Flatlays allow you to present everything in an organized and visual pleasing way. And yes, there are so many different options out there, from neutral tones to textures like marble, wood, or all kind of other options. And exactly that's why I think that these Flatlays are perfect for any content creator. With some practice and the right setup, you can create great shots that look professional and polished, adding a new dimension to your content. And last but not least, let's talk about adding some greenery to your space with some fake plants. Now you might be wondering, why fake plants? Well, there is a simple, low-maintenance way to add a touch of nature and freshness to your home office without the hassle of taking care of real plants. And yes, fake plants have come a long way from these days of cheap and plastic-looking imitations. In my opinion, they actually look great and can instantly brighten up your workspace. They come in a variety of types, from smaller to larger potted plants, so you can choose the ones that best fit your aesthetic. Plus, they require zero maintenance, so you don't have to worry about watering them, making sure they got enough light, or dealing with any leaves. So especially for content creators, having some greenery in your background can make your videos and photos more visually appealing. I personally use them a lot because they simply add some color and it makes the whole space feel more inviting. Basically, they are super versatile and can be placed anywhere in your home office. So whether you just want a small plant on your desk or a larger plant in the corner of your room, there's always a fake plant that will fit your space perfectly. What I can highly recommend is to start by choosing a few smaller plants that complement your existing style. In this case, consider placing them in the background of your videos to add some visual interest. The green color will help to break up the monotony of plain walls, and they simply add some warmth to your space. You can also mix and match different types of plants to create a more dynamic and layered look. And for sure, while some high-end fake plants can be pricey, there are plenty of affordable options out there as well that still look great. This makes it super easy to add multiple plants to your home office. In my opinion, they add a simple, calming element to your space which can help to boost your creativity and productivity. Plus, they also look great in videos and photos, making them a worthwhile addition for any content creator. But yeah, whether you're starting out or looking to upgrade your current setup, investing in the right tools can make a difference. These gadgets not only help you to create better content, but also makes your home office more efficient and enjoyable place to work. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.